Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are here at the infamous Lafayette Hotel in Marietta, Ohio. Many people believe that this historic hotel is haunted. Let's dive in and explore the mysteries that surround this place.
Built in 1918, the Lafayette Hotel has a long and rich history. Over the years, countless guests and staff members have reported strange experiences and unexplained paranormal activity. It's no wonder that this place has gained a reputation for being one of Ohio's most haunted hotels. To understand the possible origins of these alleged ghostly encounters, we need to explore the history of the Lafayette Hotel. Built in 1918, it witnessed the trials and tribulations of both world wars, the Roaring Twenties, and the economic depression. Such a storied past might leave a spiritual imprint behind. One of the most well-known ghost stories relates to a former dancer named Beatrice. Legend has it that Beatrice fell to her death down this very staircase during a party in the 1920s. Some claim to have seen a ghostly figure descending the steps or heard the sound of dancing feet late at night. The most haunted room in the hotel is believed to be room 314. Numerous guests have reported seeing apparitions, feeling a strange presence, and hearing unexplained noises. Some even wake up to find their personal belongings rearranged overnight. In addition to the personal accounts, paranormal investigators have also visited the Lafayette Hotel. They've documented FPs, electronic voice phenomena, and captured strange orbs of light on camera. These findings only add to the mystery and intrigue surrounding this place. The hotel's management acknowledges the rumors and embraces the haunted reputation. However, they assure guests that the spirits are friendly and the hotel remains a welcoming place to stay. They even offer ghost tours and overnight stays in the haunted room for those willing to experience the paranormal firsthand. So, is the Lafayette Hotel in Marietta, Ohio haunted? Well, with the countless stories, personal experiences, and documented evidence, it certainly seems like there is something mysterious going on here. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, visiting this historic hotel will surely give you a unique and spooky experience. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this haunted adventure, if you've encountered any unexplained phenomena, share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.